On Thursday, the IDF reported the destruction of a significant Hamas tunnel network beneath Gaza City's Palestine Square. According to military sources, during the October 7 assault on southern Israel, top Hamas officials, including Mohammad Daif and Yahya Sinwar, sought refuge in this underground complex. The network was intricately linked to the residences, offices, and secret apartments of senior Hamas figures. The IDF conducted scans inside the tunnels, gathering intelligence in recent days. The elite Yahalom Combat Engineering Unit and the 401st Armored Brigade were responsible for the demolition. On Tuesday, the IDF offered the media a tour of Palestine Square and the tunnel entrances. Situated in Gaza City's upscale Rimal neighborhood, the square was once considered the enclave's elite power center. It housed top officials from the ruling terror group before the war. Despite being a bustling hub of Palestinian commerce, the area concealed an extensive network of Hamas tunnels used by top officials to evade Israel. The military pointed out key locations during the tour, such as a penthouse apartment where the daughter of Hamas political leader Ismail Haniyeh lived, a community college, Hamas government offices, and a luxurious bridal store around what used to be a main traffic circle. The IDF believes the tunnel shafts were utilized by senior Hamas officials to hide deep underground during the terror attack on southern Israel on October 7. According to the IDF, the tunnel network featured blast doors and living quarters, adding that in some cases, troops operating inside the tunnels found stores of food and water left behind, indicating plans to stay hidden in the underground sites for long periods. In a statement on Wednesday, the army described the complex as an underground terror city with a strategic tunnel route connected to other significant underground infrastructure in the Gaza Strip. The extensive tunnel network maintained by Hamas beneath Gaza has been a widely known fact, but Israel's recent ground incursion has brought attention to its immense scale and durability. In a recent revelation, the military showcased a tunnel in northern Gaza extending over 4 kilometers towards the Erez crossing border with Israel, capable of accommodating a car. A video discovered by the army featured Mohammad Sinwar, the brother of senior Hamas official Yahya Sinwar, navigating through the passage. Israel initiated a large-scale military operation against Hamas in response to the group's deadly incursion into southern Israel on October 7, resulting in approximately 1,200 casualties, predominantly civilians, and 240 hostages taken into Gaza. The casualty figures provided by the Hamas-run Gaza Health Ministry, claiming over 20,000 deaths, remain unverified. Israel maintains that around 40% of the reported casualties are Hamas terror operatives.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.